and pemping no ayana you be say be note in our code. So next time no say you back to our code you be hunu de na ye and I say baby you do ye inside our code. The kwan ben so na you fa so eja note inside our code. Ti na create this comment.py ewa ha a de be so anti e pese won so obe create that particular file comment.py. The kwan so na e fa so a leaving note in our Python code. Say person a leaving note in our Python code. Some note na person a leaving note you be share with the hash sign. The hash no ebeba. Anything that comes after the hash sign no a comment and I say a note in our code. The yemfa say bia na me person me create programmer. Sa program no e be take it to input from the user. There will say user no enter numbers mienu or enter numbers mienu no area. I will say me added those two numbers. Now me print result in a user. But I'm not ready now. I want to do this later. To make me a leave note. Okay, first one here. Take two numbers from the user. Okay, I must take two numbers from the user. To me, we are then add the two numbers. Now I have so remember hash print result to the user. In this case, I say, yeah, sure, but leave this particular note inside my code. Now, the Etienne say anything that starts with the hash sign inside the Python code, Python interpreter no in that line in ready. So those lines are ignored by the Python interpreter. The hash take two numbers from the user no. And Python interpreter no ever ignore that particular lines and until you use this technique edit note inside our Python code. Because Python interpreter no ignore all these lines are associated with the hash sign. The my hash take two numbers from the user no a friend no single line comment. Single line comment actually say comment just only one line so pay. It mean to me back down. So be a sentence and I mean for the account and measure down say yeah and take other numbers baby. The hash you use hash for only single line comment. Not just a comment in the best span only one line per. Say badanwa on say underline grammar am I errors with this red wavy lines underline. Say per se multi-line commenter and on the say you see hash to start each line. Each line be a person in your comment and I say note you can note inside our code you best started that particular line with the hash sign. And I say you see this technique of using triple quotation mark. Python triple quotation mark na interpreter no be with it all right. Now so say yan fan share bibia mountain Python interpreter no ebe ignore that particular line. With my person this is multi-line comment in Python. You see hash for single line comments and you see triple quotation mark for multi-line comments. Apart from say you see comment a note in our code you see comment to temporarily disable codes that we write. The Abiana my type code be now me say interpreter no ever run it coding. Which may you see comment actually interpreter and say manu and running this particular line of what of code. See if I type print my name is Samuel Odan. Print I am learning Python programming language. Me person this line of code print my name is Samuel Kodano Eberane. Nemo print I am learning Python programming language. Ne pen me person erane. Today make me INSA. It may you see comment that's hash no to disable this line of code. Did they hear me the hash symbol no ever back code no any. And as the hash symbol no be code no ase. So this is a valid code, but me person interpreter no ever run this particular code. The mention the hash no ebe dinkan. So when the interpreter sees this line of code and run it because it has now been turned to a comment. So me run it this particular code. Mami terminal no na new terminal. So let me run Python comment.py. Na me enter. So me enter. I am learning Python programming language. So you go back to your code now. Don't say because me the hash share this particular line of code as it has been disabled.